Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. I'm Nick, your host today. In our previous live shows, we showed you our headquarters in Hangzhou, introduced you our R&D team and some of our products. Today, I'm going to take you around to show you our factory. If say R&D team is our brand, our factory is our heart. Through it, we can transform your orders into products and deliver them to you. Right now, I'm in front of our company's heart, which has more than 200 employees here, and the area is about 2,700 square meters. That including office area, production workshop, spare parts warehouse, assembly shop, products warehouse, and delivery warehouse. Now, let me show you around. Let's go. Now, I'm in front of the office building, which controls and maintains the operation of our factory. The building has totally 4 floors. We have offices for different production departments here, conference rooms here, testing and inspection laboratory here. It is the head of the factory. Every day, hundreds of orders will be received and arranged here through the cooperation of different departments, and finally make a delivery to you. Let's go upstairs and check what those office guys doing. Now, I'm in the production planning department. They like CPU in computer. When they receive your orders, they will arrange them here, starting from the processing and manufacturing of raw materials into semi-finished products, and assembly them into finished products, passing inspections, and make a delivery. Finally, let you receive your orders on your hands. Now, let's check what this lady doing now. 你在做什么？
我现在在为系统中的订单进行一个排期。
Okay. Yeah. She said she is scheduling deadline for each process steps of different orders. Now, let's go to the production workshop for processing and manufacturing of raw materials and check what those guys doing. Let's go. Now, I'm in front of the production workshop, which has 1,600 square meters here. Check here, we have laser cut machines, indentation machines, punch machines, and many other machines. Here, we will process raw materials into small parts of different products. Let's check how the machine works. Let's go. These two are laser cutting machines. Let's check. These are indentation machines. Let's check. Here, all semi-finished products will meet the first inspection. Unqualified ones will be returned. Only qualified ones will be sent to spare parts warehouse. Let's go and move there. Now, we are at the spare parts warehouse. We get totally 1,700 square meters here. All semi-finished products from the production workshop will be ordered here. It is divided into different areas according to different accessories. Each accessory has a specific number with its position recorded into our system. After receiving your orders, we will get all parts here according to the number and send them to an assembly shop. Before the sending, these guys will do the second time inspection. See, only qualified ones will be sent to assembly shop. Let's move there. Now, we are at the assembly shop, around 1,700 square meters here. All the semi-finished products will be processed into finished products here. Right here, products are put into their brand, chip, which designed by our R&D department. Let's go and check. This is our soil moisture sensor we are making now. Let's check it. For this one, we can measure 4 layers of soil moisture. The first one layer is 10 cm, second is 30 cm, third one is 50 cm, the first one is 70 cm. We stick this sensor into soil and connect with our headset. The data can be read by the headset or can be transferred to your computer or your cell phone. So you can check the data whenever you want. So then let's go to check other products. This product we are making now is the most popular product. It's a seed counter. It's seed counter. You can say it's SLYE. This is SLYC. We sell them more than thousands 1 year. You can see. Right here, we are doing the inspection for the seed counter. It's the middle production inspection. This is our rainfall sensor. We develop and produce it. And this guy, he is doing a calibration. Let's check how he is doing. Here is another line for our latest product. We call it Smart 101, which can measure 4 parameters: air temperature, air humidity, soil temperature, and soil moisture. You can use it in your garden, in a greenhouse, or in an open field. And we developed it by our R&D team. Here is our inspection room. Let's go and check. After finishing your order, it will be tested and will be inspected in third time. The inspection here has 2 parts. One is online inspection, and another one is finished product inspection. Unqualified ones will be returned. Only qualified ones can get a chance to take a test. Let's go check the testing room. Okay, let's go this way. This is seed purity desk. This is a fiber analyzer. And this one is automatic test forecast lamp. Most of our products are customized. For example, we can provide different standard pluggers according to your order from different countries. Some products can be changed to your local voltage. And if you want to know more of us and of our products and get a copy of our catalog, please leave your message down below. We will contact with you and send them to you. Make sure you follow us so that you can get more information. Now let's go to check our testing room. Here is one of our testing room. Let me introduce you some of our testing equipment. This is frequency converter. This is electrical parameter measuring instrument. This is digestion furnace. This is the oven. This is salt spray test champ. This is high and low temperature alternating damp heat test champ. This is thermal shock champ. And this one is the transportation simulator to make sure your package is safe for delivery. We will use all of these devices to make a test according to your order needs. This is a room we test some label devices. For example, nitrogen analyzer, fight analyzer, fiber analyzer. After you order passed all the tests, they will be packed and be delivered to the product's warehouse. Let's go and check there. Now we are at the product's warehouse. Here is 1,800 square meters. This is not our peak season for orders, but you still can see there are many of our products. They are waiting for a delivery. Let's go. For this product, They are going to be sent to Thailand. For this product, they are going to be sent to South Africa. And for this product, they are going to be sent to Russia. Your order will be stay right here, waiting for your instruction. Once we received your instruction, we will deliver your order to our delivery warehouse. Let's go and check there. Now we are at the delivery warehouse. Here is about 1,700 square meters. Let's check here. Here is the room we are making wooden box. We can make export quality wooden box for you heavy and bigger product orders. Right here, we will run the sampling product to inspect as a final quality inspection. Right now, let's go and check with what we are inspecting now. This is our green moisture meter. It's portable, really hard sale product. All products have to be passed this inspection so that they can be delivered out. Otherwise, they will be sent back to our assembly shop. So believe us, every product you received, they are passed our quality system. And then, let's go move to the next place. Your order will be reinforced, parking here, labeled and shipping marked, waiting for the truck to your hands. Normally we have two ways to deliver your order to your hands. One is by air and another one is by sea. By air will be expensive but fast. By sea will be cheaper but will take more time for delivery. It will up to you. Okay everyone, we've gone through our office area, production workshop, spare parts warehouse, assembly shop, product warehouse, and delivery warehouse today. Thank you for watching. If you want to have more information of us or of our factory, please leave your message or directly contact with us by email. Give a like and follow our Facebook. More information is waiting for you. See you next time. Bye bye.